in the dark, it's getting late. I really should go, he's waiting for me. We both know it's not what it seems. We both know what's between the sheets. I know that it's a secret and that I gotta keep it, but I want the lights on, yeah, I want the lights on. And I don't wanna run away anymore. Leave the lights on, leave the lights on, leave the lights on.
Welcome everyone to the event in honor of our late father, Ted Gryguć, a memorial event in his honor. And a beautiful sunny day here in Gravenhurst, Ontario, Saturday, September 18th. We have a bunch of family, friends, work colleagues, ex-racers, ex-business partners here to commemorate our father in the right way, as he would with people who have like minds just like him, of loving boating, loving engines, loving the smell of two-stroke oil, all of it. A ton of people out here to show their appreciation for who our father was, and hopefully his legacy will live on. So we're very happy that you're able to show your appreciation here to all of us, commemorate him in his honor. Piece of him lives on with all of you.
Here we go. Yes, it is still Ted Gryguć. Look at that cushion of air underneath that boat, just snaking a little bit at the front. And outside wide has come, you guessed it, Robbie side. Ted Gryguć hammers into the corner, trims her down, hooks it in, round that first spin, round the second, trim it out, and gone. That's that. Robbie size, 38 years old from Sharon, Ontario. Shell Lubricants, Industrial Precision, HT. Great job with all the drivers. Just a beautiful weekend this week here on the Grand Area. Oh, and Ted Gryguć is worth every inch of this victory. You know, this is the guy who has worked hard to learn about this tunnel boat, to build his reputation from the bottom up by winning equipment. He went out and did it. And that's exactly what a winner does. Ted Gryguć, take it out.
So we're here in Gravenhurst, the unofficial or maybe official mecca of power boating and kind of the home of high performance here in Southern Ontario for high performance boating. This is a well-known place for the boating community, and it's a storied history here, which is fitting for my father and this memorial event that was hosted here for him today. It was an amazing Saturday afternoon, great weather, lots of boats, great turnout. We thank you to everyone who participated and came to celebrate the life of Ted Gryguć.
Bring him home, Harry. Bring him home. And it is all the way, start to finish, Ted Gryguć. Oh, yeah.